Hi, April.
Oh, hey.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, good. What happened with this?
I don't know.
You don't want to see that?
I don't want to see that.
Why?
Because it's just not good looking.
Not looking good?
Not looking good to me.
Okay. So if you don't want to see that, please use a mask.
Why didn't I think of that before?
Yes, that's what you need.
Of course.
That's what you need. If you don't want to see
Now
that.
I can't see it at all. Oh my God, Jose, you're a genius. Thanks so much. And the best part, I don't see it inside either.
Oh my God.